For the cross-check, we run our survey data against the new deliverable and check the errors. We should see zeros in most areas. The support should be dropped from the fit because in the preliminary design, we only adjusted for the Z and Y positions. Therefore, the baseplate plane and the X position will not match. These can be adjusted, but it isn't necessary in this case. After the cross-check has been performed, go back into the deliverable file and tidy up the drawing. Preview the deliverable and export it. The export function will create two files, the PDF deliverable drawing and the Automat deliverable file. The deliverable file will be used to inspect the new fabrication.